Hi guys, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today I have by my side the Blue Star 300 DAI air purifier. The sudden surge in outdoor air pollution has led to an increase in indoor air pollution as well. These pollutants in indoor air are not always visible to the human eye and over a period of time become a deadly cocktail of harmful impurities, in turn triggering many respiratory and health problems. This air purifier ensures that these harmful pollutants in the indoor air are absorbed and deactivated. This happens through its Microbe Deactive Plus technology and a multi-stage purification system. With its elegant design and compact size, Blue Star Air Purifier ensures that you can now breathe clean air always. Let's have a look at some of its important features. Now, Blue Star Air Purifier 300 DAI protects your family from three main types of pollutants: physical, chemical, and microbiological. This purifier ensures a circulation of clean air in your homes with its three-stage filtration process and its unique Microbe Deactive Plus technology. The uniquely designed Microbe Deactive Plus technology effectively deactivates bacteria, mold, and pollen. It destroys more than 99.5% of airborne pollutants present in indoor atmosphere. Blue Star 300 DAI air purifier is designed with a three-stage multi-purification system. Stage 1. The high-density pre-filter removes physical impurities such as large-sized, fine dust particles that are visible to human eyes and are present in indoor air. Stage 2. The HEPA filter now traps fine dust particles and bacteria up to PM 2.5 microns. And lastly, Stage 3. The active carbon filter absorbs pollutants, offensive odors, VOCs, and chemicals present in the indoor air. Now, Blue Star Air Purifier 300 DAI is designed with PM 2.5 LED display indicator to highlight the pollutant levels in the indoor air. 300 DAI also has an auto filter clean alarm to alert and indicate that it's time to clean your filter. The auto filter clean alarm alerts automatically after every 720 hours of purification cycle, reminding you that it's time to clean the filters in your purifier. The filter change indicator indicates the time to change the filter in your air purifier. For efficient purification, it is highly recommended to clean the filters every week, depending on the pollution level, of course. Filter maintenance in 300 DAI is simple and easy. The recommended filter replacement period is between 8 to 12 months, depending on the usage pattern and the pollution level in your indoor environment. If the pollution level is high, it is recommended to check the filter and replace it for efficient purification. The replacement of the filter is hassle-free and can be done by you without the help of a service engineer. Blue Star 300 DAI comes with 4 levels of fan speed. Depending on the indoor air pollution level, you may choose the fan speed from turbo, which is super fast, high, medium, or low for efficient purification. For the convenience of the user, 300 DAI air purifier is designed with timers, which can be set at time intervals of 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. Elegantly designed to blend with your indoor decor, Blue Star Air Purifier 300 DAI is compact and easy to move. You can enjoy clean indoor air in your homes or workplaces without hindering your floor space requirements. So friends, are you still thinking? Go for it right away and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart, because here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.